Are you looking for the electric stand mixer? In this video we are looking 6 best electric stand mixer. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Aucma Stand Mixer, 6.5 QD 660W 6-speed tilt-head food mixer, kitchen electric mixer with dough hook, wire whip and beater. Brand, Aucma. Color, silver. Product dimensions, 15.2-inch DX 9.4 WX 12.4H. Special feature tilt-head mixers, 120V, 60Hz, 660W, pure copper motor, sturdy ABS housing, full metal gears for driven mechanism, rotary 6 speeds pulse function, low operation noise less than or equal to 76 dB, 2-layer red painting tilt-head mixers, 120V, 60Hz, 660W, pure copper motor, sturdy ABS housing, full metal gears for driven mechanism, rotary 6 speeds plus pulse function. Powerful motor and variable speed control, 660W high-performance pure copper motor and sturdy ABS housing, 6 optimized speeds with pulse function, access to multi-purpose and a variety of recipes. More powerful motor but lower operation noise less than or equal to 76 dB. 6.5 QD large capacity bowl with handles, 6.5 QD stainless steel bowl can meet all your kitchen needs. The stand mixer is easy to use for making cakes, breads, cookies, pastry, muffins and waffle, and the dual handles are more convenient to hold. Tilt head and outside design. The tilt head design mixer allows access to install or uninstall bowl and accessories easily. The mixer has a stainless steel decoration belt and blue LED light as power indicator. The mixer housing with 1-layer painting make it look more shining and beautiful in your kitchen. Multiple attachment set. Aucma stand mixer comes with 3 mixing accessories: whisk, dough hook, mixing beater. The splash guard with access hatch helps add ingredients without making a mess. Ideal gift and multiple authentication. Aucma electric mixer is a perfect gift idea for your family and friends. Please always feel free to contact us if you have any questions during using. Number 2. 9.5 QT stand mixer. 10-speed tilt-head food mixer, Vetsio 660W kitchen electric mixer with stainless steel bowl, dishwasher-safe attachments for most home cooks. Brand, Vetsio. Color, silver. Product dimensions, 10.63-inch DX 16.54 WX 14.17H. Special feature: all of the attachments are dishwasher-safe, removable stainless steel mixing bowl with 2 handles. 9.5 quart large capacity large stainless steel mixing bowl provides plenty of capacity. Each Vetsio kitchen electric mixer comes with an aluminum dough hook and flat beater, a stainless steel whisk and a food mixing shield for cleanliness and safety during kneading. Accessories are dishwasher safe. 10 speeds for any recipe. The planetary mixer is powerful enough to mix bread dough, thick batters, meringue and whipped cream. From gentle stirring to high-speed mixing, it is your powerful ally in cooking all your delicious dishes such as cakes, breads, cookies, pastries, muffins and waffles. Easy to use and stable standing. The tilt-head design of the household stand mixer allows you to effortlessly install or uninstall the mixing bowl and accessories, while the 5 non-slip suction cups at the bottom ensure stability and prevent wobbling or bouncing, leading to reduced noise levels, less than or equal to 76 dB. Efficient and stable 660W high-performance pure copper motor and dual-track gear design provides stable and powerful power, ensuring efficient and fast mixing and kneading for all your baking needs. From delicate mixing to heavy dough, this powerful motor can handle it easily. 24/7 customer support backed by ETL certification and overheating and overload protection. Vetsio professional stand mixer is the perfect choice for home use or as a gift. In case of a damaged or unusable product, you can rely on our customer support, available 24/7 to assist you. Experience the perfect baking tool with Vetsio stand mixer today. Number 3. Bosch Universal Plus Stand Mixer. 500 watt, 6.5 quarts with wire whips, dough hook and Nutri-Mill dough hook extender bundle. Brand, Nutri-Mill. Color, white. Product dimensions, 11-inch DX 12 WX 15H. Special feature, manual. Capacity, 15 pounds. Controls type, knob. Lightweight 6.5 quart plastic BPA-free bowl with easy grip handle and removable drive shaft for easy cleaning. Bowl is dishwasher safe. Bottom drive allows easy addition of ingredients. Dual beaters provide triple whipping action up to any whipping task. Whip as little as 1 egg white, mash up to 10 pounds of cooked potatoes, shred cooked chicken. Powerful belt-driven transmission ensures adequate torque for almost any recipe, even kneading up to 14 loaves, 15 pounds, of whole grain bread dough or mixing up to 34 dozen cookies in a single batch. Includes Bosch mixer, wire whips with plastic whip drive, dough hook, bowl, lid, splash ring, and Nutrimil plastic dough hook extender. A variety of optional attachments and accessories, sold separately, that will turn your mixer into a kitchen machine. Slicer shredder, cookie and cake paddles, meat grinder, citrus juicer, pasta maker, and more, pasta. Number 4. Dough Mixer 8.45 QD Electric Mixer. 660W 6-speed large capacity kitchen stand mixer with whisk dough hook mixing beater household food mixer for baking cakes, cookie bread, salad. Brand, Brown. Color, black. Product dimensions, 15.8-inch DX 10.2 WX 13.5H. Special feature, adjustable speed control. Capacity, 8.45 quarts. Controls TYP E-knob. 6 speeds with pulse function, 6 speeds for virtually any task or recipe. 660W high-performance pure copper motor and rugged ABS housing. Powerful dough mixer functionality handles thick batters, bread dough, meringue, and whipped cream, making it ideal for professional bakers and baking beginners alike. 8.45 QD capacity bowl with a handle, 8.45 QD durable stainless steel bowl with a handle and a removable splash guard. The stainless steel bowl is designed to stand up to year after year of mixing, and the clear splash guard keeps ingredients from getting dirty and can be placed on top when needed. Multifunctional mixing function, including dough hook, whisk, and beater. 3 multifunctional attachments allow you to knead pizza dough, mix cookie dough and whipped cream, anything goes. Coming with versatile attachments like an egg beater, dough maker, and cake mixer for baking, offering all-in-one convenience for cakes, pizza, and bread maker needs. Easy to clean and low noise, premium stainless steel mixing bowls included with this electric mixer ensure durability and effortless cleaning, perfect for home bakers and kitchen enthusiasts seeking reliable kitchen appliances. Dishwasher safe. A stylish and practical gift, looking for the best household stand mixer or a gift for bakers? Our beautiful mixer combines power, style, and convenience. Kitchen appliances meet professional performance in one compact machine, a stylish and practical gift for bakers or a standout addition to any kitchen. Number 5. ZACME 3-in-1 Pasta Maker. Attachment for ZACME stand mixers. Brand, ZACME. Color, white. Material, metal. Item weight, 3.85 pounds. Blade material, stainless steel. Included components, pasta maker cleaning brush and user manual. Operation mode, manual. Is dishwasher safe? Yes. ZACME 3-in-1 pasta maker attachment only for ZACME stand mixers. ZACME 5.5 QD/7.4 QD/8.4 QD stand mixer. Please make sure before purchasing. Number 6. ZACME Mixers Kitchen Electric Stand Mixer 5.5 QD 600W, aluminum die casting and gears, dual cooling system, low noise, DC motor, LED display and timing function, tilt head metal food mixer. Brand, ZACME. Color, white 5.5 QD. Aluminum die casting body and metal gears. The aluminum die casting body and metal gears are more durable and more solid and reliable than plastic stand mixers. ZACME dough mixer is equipped with dual cooling systems and DC motors. It does not get hot after continuous use for an hour. Test data shows that the surface temperature of the stand mixer is below 95 degrees Fahrenheit. We choose to be your long-lasting partner in the kitchen. 6 ingenious designs for easy to use. 1. All accessories of the mixer for baking are dishwasher safe. 2. The tilt head design of the electric stand mixer is easy to adjust. 3. The lighting of cake mixer is convenient to check the mixing status. 4. The low noise high torque DC motor makes the mixing sound less than 70 dBA. 5. The 8-level constant speed control is suitable for various recipes, and knob adjusts smoothly. 6. The display screen shows the mixing time and can be timed. Food grade and washable accessories. Accessories include a 5.5 QD bowl, dough hook, beater, and whisk made of food grade stainless steel, and a splash guard. Accessories are machine washable and can be in direct contact with your family. 4 buckles on the bottom of the bowl make it more stable and firm. Anti-shock design, insulated base, emergency power off. With thoughtful consideration for your family. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.